Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. If your office smells fine, that doesn't mean it's actually clean. Most offices rely on quick surface cleaning, wiping desks and emptying bins. But the real build-up happens where people don't look. Carpets trap dust, bacteria, and moisture from daily foot traffic. Air vents circulate dust and allergens through the entire office. And high-touch spots like door handles, lift buttons, and shared desks collect germs all day. And if washrooms aren't deep cleaned regularly, odors and bacteria slowly spread through the building. That's why offices need scheduled deep cleaning, carpet extraction, HVAC vent cleaning, and proper sanitisation of high-touch areas. This is your handyman mate from Scope Facilities. Clean isn't what you see, it's what you maintain. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video.